A woman taped fake thorns all over her hand and approached a wild monkey, begging for help. But the monkey just got scared and ran away. She tried a second monkey, but it ignored her too. Refusing to give up, she walked up to a third monkey, crying out that she was in deep pain. This time, something incredible happened. The kind monkey gently took her hand and carefully pulled out every single thorn, one by one. Touched by its kindness, the grateful woman rewarded the smart monkey with a delicious banana. Seeing this, another monkey rushed over, and she happily handed him a pack of biscuits too. Kindness always wins.